Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by signing into your PSN account on the PS5 you want as primary. Make sure the console is online and fully updated. Updates can block changes otherwise. Once signed in, verify two-step authentication if your account uses it, because you may need a code. Do not waste time on other devices, focus on this PS5. Now, navigate straight to Settings so you can change console sharing and offline play. This is the only way to designate a primary console. Once in Settings, go to Users and Accounts, then Other, and choose Console Sharing and Offline Play. You will see a toggle Select Enable. This tells Sony that this PS5 should serve games and subscriptions offline for accounts that use it. If the option is grayed out, it means your account is active as primary on another console. In that case, sign out of the other PS5 or disable its console sharing first. After enabling, the system confirms the change immediately. To finish, verify by accessing your game library and PlayStation Plus features while offline. They should be available. If something fails, sign out or disable console sharing on any other PS5 where your account was primary. You can only have one active. Once those steps are complete, restart the console and check purchases again. If problems persist, make sure your PSN credentials and two-step codes are correct. Then repeat the enable step. This one setting is the only way to set a primary.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.